Hey, what's up guys? Matt here from Motor King Madness. We're going to be putting on several parts on this Ryker here today. So we're going to go through each one. We're going to vlog about it and tell you guys about all of them, and I'm going to give you my personal review. So the first thing I'm going to do is we are going to put on a K&N air filter today on my Ryker Rally here. So the part number for this is CM9910. So it's real easy. There's two tabs right under here, and then that will, you'll be able to see the air filter, the factory one, and we're going to change that one out. So once you get that box out, this is the stock filter. I've already put the sticker on, but all you're going to do is just pull this one out. As soon as I get it out. So as you can see, that's the brand new one. Then we're going to drop the new one right in there. And then I put the sticker right there. And then this is fully washable and everything like that. Everything that you would expect from a K&N. And we will install it back on the bike now. Well, I'm back from my ride. I didn't really feel anything differently about having the K&N air filter in there. I'm sure, you know, it's got to be used in other conjunctions, you know, like exhaust. We'll be putting exhaust on this today, Two Brothers. That'll be in another vlog. So, but as far as this, I mean, for $41, you know, it's washable. You know, who knows how much a factory one is? Maybe 20 bucks. So a couple of those would equal one of these. So I would say, yeah, you know, buy it. But I got this one at slingmods.com. Yep, and you know, we'll see what else we could do to it. So, all right, guys. So I hope you guys like this video. I'm going to be doing a lot more to this Ryker. So if you want to see more on what's going on, then like this video, subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.